Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Neriah, period. Okay, we already know that at this time. Today we are doing another wig review. As you can tell by the title, I want to give a huge thank you to Kadoyee hair for sponsoring today's video. I am absolutely obsessed with this wig, y'all. Like, honestly, from the packaging to the smell. When I got this smelled so conditioned, and you could tell it was washed properly, and it was just a fresh good unit. Okay, I absolutely love how this hair came out. It is a 22-inch body wave unit. It is a 13x4, and it's bomb. It's lustrous. It's everything. So obviously, if you are interested in this unit, if you want to see me install this unit, kind of get the deets on this wig, be sure to keep watching, okay? And always check out the description box below so you can get one of your own. I must admit, like, this has to be probably one of my favorite wigs, and how it's constructed and how easy it was to install, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoy, and until next time, I'll see you later.
Could do better, babe. Think about you every day. Just like the diamond you shine. Too many girls in other states. I would've told you anyway. I guess you had it. I called you 4 times. I guess you mad or what? Me being me, I guess I'm outspoken. Leave all these girls around my house heartbroken.
my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga? I'm rockin' with you, I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spending on business and spending and spending and spending until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step of help with none of you killin'. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were trippin', we could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin', we could've been superstars. Happy now, I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin. Yeah, cut those bins, KTV, let the wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no hands stepping. Crush my arcs, totally wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage to stay to the cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka Twiggy Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin', we could've been superstars. Happy now, I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off on the bit. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin.